outstanding design defines the 2020 Nissan Murano. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including front and rear side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.